Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your AliExpress account. So for that purpose, first of all, open up the AliExpress app. Now once you're at the home page, click on account at the bottom right here. Now in here, click on settings at the top right. Now in here, click on profile. And in here, you will see an option saying delete account. Click on it. Now after that, they will take you to this interface right here. And in here, you will have to click on delete your account for the final time. And after that, your account will be permanently deleted. As I don't want to do so I'm not clicking on it. So that is how you can delete your AliExpress account. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your AliExpress account. So first of all, open up the website of AliExpress. Now once you're at the website, make sure that you have logged in using your account. Now after you're done so, click on this account button right here, and in here click on settings. Now in the settings window, click on edit profile right here. Now in here, click on deactivate account on the right side right here. Now after that, you will be at this interface right here. Now in here, click on delete your account. After that, they will send you a 6-digit code to your email that you will need to verify. After you typed in the code, click on verify, and in here, click on delete account. And after that, they will take you back to this interface right here, and your account would be deleted. So that is how you can delete your AliExpress account.